Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's video, I'm going to show you how to get free sets with the Robin Pet and Grow a Garden 2 game of Roblox. Okay, let's get into it guys. First, you need to purchase the Robin Pet. Usually it's spawned around the map right here. You need to wait until this Robin Pet spawn around the map. When it spawn, you can immediately purchase it guys, and then you're going to go to your garden and let me show you the robin ability. Okay, this is my robin. It says flies around your garden eating ripe fruit and sometimes drop seeds. So basically this robin can give you free sets, but you need to stay in your garden for a moment until the robin drop a fruit. Okay, just wait until the robin drop, not drop a fruit but drop a seed, and then you can immediately pick it up. So if you want to get more seeds guys, you need to have more robins in your garden. And just remember that this robin pet can only work if you are in your garden. So if you are out of your garden, this robin won't work. So make sure that you stay in your garden if you want to get more seeds. Okay guys, and that's how you can get more seeds using Robin Pet and Grow a Garden 2. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye!